Hey, good morning. It's John with GreenKey. We're on site at our first installation of the day, and unfortunately I forgot to start filming before we got started, so we're kind of mid-project right now. We're going to be installing a 48 amp ChargePoint HomeFlex charger at basically right outside a garage. I'll turn this around so you can see it. So here we've got our garage. Got a one-story rancher with a basement, and the panels in the basement. The charger is going to go right here on the wall, and we ran most of it in 62MC. So you can see that we have our LB here, EMT conduit, and right here we switch over to MC, and we run MC through the ceiling space into a laundry area. Continues to run right there. And I've got it hanging right here. I'm going to work it into the panel here in a second. We've got a square D QO panel, and I thought I was going to have to use tandems to make space, but they actually have a spare breaker right here that we will take the place of. So we'll be installing our 60 amp breaker there to power our 48 amp ChargePoint charger. And we're just about done. We just got to hang the charger and wire the panel. When we're done, I'll show you what it looks like. See you soon. All right, everybody, so welcome back. We finished our installation and want to show y'all what it looks like. Again, this is a 48 amp ChargePoint charger, 24-foot cord, charges at 11.5 kilowatts. And coming inside, we've got our conduit running here, switching over to MC. And I showed y'all this before. The MC run just runs along the ceiling right through this space. Back to our panel. This is an older QO panel, the second breaker down right there, that 60 amp breaker. That is our breaker for the charger. I've got it labeled right here. And that is it. That's it for the installation this morning. Hopefully we'll have another one for you this afternoon. In the meantime, take care. Hey, so before we go from this job, again, here's our charger. I did want to mention one thing. So looking at our plug here, this is a J1772 plug, and at this point almost all vehicles in the US are either J1772 or NAC. The NAC is the Tesla plug, and hopefully everybody is going to be going to that NAC's plug in the next couple years. But in the meantime, we have two different kinds. Now this particular plug will take an adapter so that you can use it with the Tesla, and the Tesla NACS plug will take an adapter so you can use it with J1772. But really we're down to two different types of plugs for AC level 2 charging at your house. When you go to the fast chargers, you'll see that you have really two different kinds of fast charger plugs now too. One is the CCS, and the other one is the Tesla NACS. It does both AC and DC charging. The CCS is just a combination of this J1772 plug and then two additional ports for DC power.